The 2026 flagship race is heating up, but Google is keeping its cards close to the chest. While major Android manufacturers have already unveiled their new devices, the Pixel 11 series is expected to arrive later this year, likely around August, following the launch cycle of the Pixel 10 in 2025. Despite the wait, early leaks and renders are already giving us an exciting glimpse into what Google has planned, especially for the Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL. Recent case renders from accessory maker Thinborn have revealed the possible dimensions and design of the Pixel 11 Pro XL. While these images don't show the device itself, they provide valuable insight into the upcoming design changes, which may also extend to the non-XL Pro and standard models. Accessory brands often gain early access to official schematics before public announcements, so these renders are a strong hint at the final look of the device. One of the standout changes appears to be the camera island. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to retain the large elliptical camera module seen in current Pixel devices, but subtle refinements suggest meaningful upgrades. Compared to the Pixel 10 Pro, the camera island cutout looks slightly narrower and taller, shifting from an elongated rectangle toward a more squarish design. This could indicate updated camera sensors or optics, offering potential improvements beyond aesthetics. Additionally, the module seems thinner than previous generations. A slimmer design could help maintain or even reduce the overall protrusion of the camera bump, enhancing both usability and the device's sleek profile. These refinements may seem minor at first glance, but they signal Google's attention to design evolution while possibly improving photographic performance. Beyond the camera, the Pixel 11 Pro is rumored to feature a refined and thinner overall body. Early render comparisons suggest a sleeker profile than the Pixel 10 Pro, potentially making the device more ergonomic and comfortable for everyday use. This combination of subtle design tweaks and thoughtful hardware updates could make the Pixel 11 series feel both fresh and familiar, maintaining the signature Pixel aesthetic while addressing long-standing user feedback. While official details are still scarce, these leaks offer a tantalizing preview of what to expect. Fans are particularly eager to see whether Google will introduce a completely new imaging system or focus on refining the existing setup with more precise sensors and better optics. Whatever the case, the Pixel 11 Pro promises to continue Google's tradition of thoughtful design and camera-focused innovation in its flagship lineup. As we await the official announcement, these early insights give us plenty to speculate on. The Pixel 11 series may not arrive for several months, but the leaks already hint at a device that balances refinement with innovation, offering a subtle yet meaningful upgrade over its predecessor. Whether it's the taller, thinner camera island or a sleeker, more ergonomic frame, Google seems poised to deliver a device that will appeal to fans of both design and photography. What will truly define the Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro? Only time will tell, but these early renders suggest Google is preparing a thoughtful evolution of its flagship series, one that keeps the core Pixel identity intact while enhancing the user experience in meaningful ways.